binago po niya yung Pedro Penduko, isang napakasikat na Filipino folklore, Filipino action fantasy adventure film. He did a wonderful spin-off na ginawa niya pong mas modern ang Penduko to relate to adolescents, to adults, to people today. So ang dami pong lessons na tinatackle, and we have a great cast. Alongside me is Mateo Budicelli as yung bagong Penduko, Sir John Arcilia, Albert Martinez, and marami pong baguhan din na actor. So, expectations for the film, I guess it's to enjoy the movie that we made, and para i-celebrate din yung i-celebrate din ang pelikulang Pilipino. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Kylie. We'll end this now with the Q&A. Let's just wish them Merry Christmas. What's your Christmas wish to everyone, or any message for them? Go.
I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I hope you get to enjoy and spend time with your family, your loved ones. Alam ko marami sa atin ang kating-kating na mag-Christmas and mag-bakasyon. I think just like all of us. Pero bago po yun, sana po i-enjoy po natin ang mga pelikula dito sa MMFF. It's such an honor to be part of the Metro Manila Film Festival. It's really been like a dream of mine to have a film here, and finally, for the first time, I finally have one alongside these wonderful and award-winning actors right here. Pangarap ko lang po dati, and now I'm with them.
You hosted a lot of our awards nights.